Hello guys, welcome in our classes. Today we will study plane waves in a lossless medium. So plane waves in a lossless medium. What is the meaning of lossless? Here we will consider mu and epsilon are real quantity and k is also a real quantity. So we have studied in earlier classes that del square E plus k square E is equal to 0. So here del is defined as dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z. So E has the component of Ex, Ey and Ez, right? So here only x component will be a means will be under the consideration. So Ex is varying with respect to z and its direction in E, x and y is constant. So if its direction in x and y is constant, so it is not varying in x and y, its dy and dz value will give 0 value. So del will be only for x and y. X and y will give 0 and only dou by dou z will exist. So put in above equation, we will get dou 2 Ex by dou z square plus k square Ex is equal to 0. So from here we know the mathematics that d square plus m square is equal to 0. So d is equal to plus minus jm. So its solution will be what? Ex is equal to e plus e की power minus j k z. Here what is our m? That is kz. jk, sorry. So jk is this. So z is the variable. E minus e की power plus j k z. So we have Ex like this. So it is in a constant t at a omega frequency. So if we want for a time varying, so this Ex will be, here a time varying exponential term will come e power minus j k z into e की power j omega t plus e minus e power minus j k z into e power j omega t. This is plus. So we have considered here real quantities. So its real value will be what? That will be cos, that is j omega t minus kz, omega t minus kz plus e minus omega t plus kz, cos omega t plus kz. That is our final Ex, right? Now what is the Vp? For Vp we will have to consider this term omega t minus kz for a fixed point at a wave. What? Fixed point on the wave. For fixed point this term will be constant, so this will be constant and this will be also constant. So omega t minus kz, omega t minus kz is a constant. We are saying that this term is in plus z direction. How? Here we will see what omega t minus kz is constant. So if we increase t, or we are moving in a forward direction of time, so this term will have to be constant, so z will also be in a increasing manner. So from here we are saying that it is in plus z direction. So this term is plus z direction, and like that we will prove that it is a minus z direction. So from here, what is the Vp? That is a phase velocity. In the sense of omega t minus kz is constant for a fixed point, the movement of the wave, and that is called a phase velocity. Phase velocity. In this sense. So Vp, from here, Vp will be d by dt of z. What is velocity? Distance divided by time. So change in distance divided by change in time. D by dt. What will be the z? From here, z will be omega t minus constant divided by k. Omega t minus constant divided by k. So differentiated, constant will be 0, and this term will be omega by k. That is Vp. What is k? We have seen from earlier, that is omega root mu epsilon. Omega omega cancel, 1 upon divided by under root mu epsilon. That is the phase velocity. For a free space, mu will be mu naught, epsilon will be epsilon naught. So Vp will be V naught is equal to 1 upon under root mu naught epsilon naught. We will put the values of mu naught and epsilon naught, and we will solve 2.998 into 10 power 8 meter per second. That is the speed of light. Right. So we have seen here Vp. Now we will see lambda. What is wavelength? Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive maxima or minima or same phase point. So lambda is distance between two maxima. Consider what will be the maxima. Omega t minus kz, take a point in phase value, minus omega t minus k into z plus lambda. Z plus lambda. Right. So this will be equal to 2 pi. That should complete a cycle, and one cycle will be equal to 2 pi. So from here, omega to omega t cancel out, kz cancel out. So what will be remaining part? Plus k lambda is equal to 2 pi. So lambda is equal to 2 pi by k. What is k? K is in terms of Vp, omega upon Vp. Omega upon Vp. What is Vp? Omega upon, okay. So we can also write it as 2 pi by omega root mu epsilon. Right? So we can define lambda in these manners. So for getting a complete plane waves, we will have to also find out H or magnetic field. So here Hx will be equal to Hz is equal to 0 for the case of Ex. We have considered Ex, right? So it will come from the Maxwell curl equation. So Hy will be 1 by eta, and what was the Ex? So by putting all the curl equations and by solving, it will come e power minus j k z minus e power j k z, like this. So here what is eta? Eta is wave impedance. Right? Its value is under root mu by epsilon. For free space, eta will be eta naught is equal to mu naught by epsilon naught, and by solving this we will get 377 ohm. Thank you guys.